Hello, my name is Marta Portilla, Montessori educator and parenting coach. I am here to invite you to participate in the active parenting workshops that are starting in a few weeks. As parents, we all face challenges with our children on a daily basis, and many times our response to those situations leave us both, parents and children, very upset and stressed out. That's why this parenting workshop could be very valuable to you. You will learn practical and effective tools that will help you deal with these situations in a more peaceful and loving way, helping you strengthen your relationship with your child and enjoy your family even more. Once you are registered, I ask you to email me the 3 main issues that you are experiencing right now in your relationship with your child, so I will make sure to address them, providing proven techniques and the support that you want and need. You will feel much more confident and will be better equipped to deal with difficult situations as they come up in the future. But don't take my word for it. You can read some of the testimonials from parents who have already attended. Since these workshops are only offered at the beginning of the school year and have a limited number of participants, don't wait any longer to become the best parent that you are meant to be. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to meeting you at one of the workshops. Bye.